guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's a little bit different right now. I am in my car. I'm about to head to Dunkin to try the new drinks and the food that they just came out with, or the sandwich. I did get this concept, all credit due to, I believe you say her name, Steph Pappas. I did get the idea from her. It's super cool. I've always been tempted to try out the new stuff that every fast food restaurant or every restaurant comes out with. So I thought that was really cool that I could just try it out, let you guys know what I think, and if you guys want to go try it out for yourselves or not. You guys know I can't cook. I don't cook too much, too often, but I can eat. So I'm gonna go order the drinks, order the food. The lighting is super bad, so I'm gonna head home and then I'm going to let you guys know what I think. All right guys, I am home. I'm ready to drink my drinks and eat. I didn't end up actually getting the sourdough sandwich because I have not tried the ghost pepper donut. So I ended up getting the gingerbread latte. Didn't ask me whole milk or skim milk or anything, or whipped cream. I think it's my fault. I think I was supposed to mention whipped cream. This one is the peppermint mocha. I'm not a huge fan of chocolate and peppermint either, but we're gonna try it out. And then this one is the chai oat milk latte hot, which I am super excited about. Let me try the gingerbread latte first. First, you gotta mix it up. I love Dunkin' over Starbucks. I might be biased because I used to work at Dunkin' before, but it's good. So good, yeah. So then we're gonna try the peppermint mocha. Oh my gosh, it tastes like those little minty chocolates. I forgot what they're called. Aldines? I don't know what it is, but it tastes just like it. I thought it was gonna give like a toothpaste vibe off, but this one is the chai oat milk latte. Ooh, it smells good. This kind of tastes like a candle. You know what I mean? Guys, this straight up tastes like a Yankee candle to me. So not my favorite. I would have to mark this like number 3. I wonder if they still have the snickerdoodle flavoring, because that one tops all these. Now we have the ghost pepper donut. I am so excited. I obsess over spice. I love spice. Every day, almost every meal. Yes, it's not good for you, but sorry, trying to get a thumbnail. Wait, what? So I'm assuming this is a plain donut. I guess the sprinkles on top is what's kind of spicy. The frosting is really good. Ooh. And you get a small little kick of like the spice. Alrighty guys, so out of all the new drinks that they just came out with, I have to say the tastiest one overall, this hair is going wild, overall is the gingerbread latte. So good. The most holiday tasting one would be the peppermint mocha. Would I ever have the chai oat milk latte again? Probably not, but that's just me. And the ghost pepper donut was really good. For all my spicy lovers out there, you guys should give it a try. I thought it was gonna taste nasty, but it didn't. I really like this concept. It was a little bit more chill and just hanging out, eating food. That's what I do, eat all the time. Again, full credit to Steph Pappas. She's the one that I saw. Hopefully I'm saying her last name right. Sorry girl. We all have different taste buds, so maybe, you know, everybody likes different things, but I wanted to share my opinion on the new things that came out. If you guys like these kind of videos, thumbs up. I'll do more. If you guys want me to try out new things from somewhere else, comment down below. Let me know. I might try the Beyond Meat pizza from Pizza Hut soon. So that might be my next video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you a million times for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Yeah, that tastes like a candle.